Hey lovelies, it's your favorite hair vlogger Ebony, and I'm back with a new video for you. This time I'm going to be returning to my curls after 5 long weeks of straightened hair. So right now I'm just brushing it to get all the shed hair out as much as possible so it doesn't go down the drain. For a second there, it sounded like my voice was going down the drain. But anyways, right now I'm just, saturating the hair with water to get it ready for shampoo. And this is one of my favorite parts of washing my hair because, after having straight hair for so long, it's so cool to see my curls slowly but surely come back. And I know a lot of you were asking, Ebony, how did you wear your hair straight for so long? I just made sure to keep up with oil on my scalp. I wrapped it at night. Well, put it in a bun. I don't wrap my hair anymore, but just keep it secure and off my shoulders and back as much as possible. Now for shampoo, I'm going to be using Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. It's one of my favorites because, of course, after having my hair straight for so long, my scalp definitely needs to be washed. And that rosemary mint combo really helps with the itchiness that I've been having for the last couple of weeks. Now, if you notice, I like to wash my hair in a downward motion. I do not like to rub the hair all over my head and just get like that big sudsy pile. While that feels really good, it doesn't do anything for my hair except tangle it. So washing it in a downward motion really helps to keep those tangles away because it's hard enough trying to wash all this hair anyway. I don't need to add tangles and stress to the situation. For deep conditioner, I use the Pattern Beauty conditioner for coilies because I have been putting heat in my hair and using heat tools. I definitely want to deep condition my hair before I bring my curls back. I want to try to put back as much moisture and nutrients as I can that were possibly lost during the process of flat ironing and heat styling my hair. And of course, I ran out of the Pattern Beauty deep conditioner, so I had to improvise and use my Plentiful Deep Conditioning Treatment deep conditioner. I'm completely fine with this because this is also one of my favorite deep conditioners ever. Especially since it only needs to stay in your hair for about 10 minutes and you don't have to put a bag over your head or a cap or anything like that. So I like to just stand in the shower for the 10 minutes, wash my body, sing some songs, whatever, and just get it all done without having to get out the shower, wait, and then get back in when I'm all dry. The same is true for the Pattern Beauty conditioner because when you leave it in for 10 minutes or longer, it changes into an intensive conditioning treatment. So it all worked out just fine. Now that my hair is freshly washed, I like to let it air dry for just a little bit, so that's what you're seeing here. I don't like working with soaking wet hair just because it's just a mess to work with, so I like to let it air dry for a while and give myself a little bit of a break and then re-wet it as much or as little as I like. Oh, and the Pattern Beauty detangling brush, which is what I'm using here and was using in the shower, is really good at detangling. For leave-in, I'll be using one of my faves, the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Yogurt leave-in. This leave-in conditioner has super slip and it's really moisturizing for my curls. For styler, I'll be using Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. At first, I did use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but it didn't seem to agree with the gel that I'm using for this video, which, by the way, is the Honey Baby Naturals Really Hold It Honey Gel. Somehow I forgot to hold that product to the camera, but don't worry, I'll make sure to link everything in the description box. But as you can see, I'm layering every product in my hair. First, I start with the water, of course, and then I go in with my leave-in conditioner, then the Miss Jessie's Honey Curls, and then top it off with the gel. This is certainly up to you, however you like to do this. I just always like to use a leave-in conditioner because I want to make sure that there will be moisture in my hair beyond today. If I were using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, I will admit I probably wouldn't need a leave-in conditioner because that product is very, very moisturizing. However, it doesn't have a whole lot of hold, so I like to put gel on top. And that's the case with a lot of styling products for me. I like my curls super defined, so a lot of times the styling cream just isn't enough. I always have to have a gel on top. And of course, I have to have my Denman brush. I cannot do my wash and goes without it. I know when I did the Pattern Beauty review a few videos back, a lot of people were asking me, can that detangling brush that, you know, she's selling, can that replace the Denman brush? And it absolutely cannot, at least not for me, because I was using the brush as my Denman brush because seriously, I forgot that I didn't have my Denman brush with me because the Pattern Beauty brush just, it feels so much like a Denman brush with the paddle and the teeth in it and everything. It just felt like, you know, like I was just in a groove and I didn't realize I wasn't using my Denman brush. Then I was thinking to myself, why aren't my curls coming out the way I'm used to seeing them? And then I was like, oh, this is not my Denman brush. I gotta go get my brush. The Pattern Beauty brush is not made for forming curls, at least not mine. Let me know if you experience anything different. Once I had all the product applied to my hair, I went ahead and sprayed my curls down with the Thermal Wonder Heat Protectant because even though I'm not flat ironing my hair or anything like that, I still want to protect my hair from any heat, and that includes the blow dryer diffuser heat. Now I do need to change out my blow dryer. I just feel like it's time. This blow dryer takes too long to dry my hair. I don't know if it's just me or if it's the actual blow dryer, but I do want a change. Now I'm looking into the Dyson blow dryer. Y'all pray for me. If it's on sale this Christmas, maybe I'll get it. All right, you beautiful people, we've come to the end of another video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Turn on those notifications if you ain't done that either. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching.